Guys, welcome back to my channel, N.P. Detailing. Today it's Sunday morning. I'm going to be washing my own cars, but I need to show you something really important about road salt and what it can do to your vehicle. So check this out and let's move on with the video. Okay, so here I am, Mitsubishi Grandis. This is my missus's car, wife's car, and it's not been washed in a long while, as you can see, because she doesn't do it. I end up doing it, and I can only do it when I have no cars booked in, which is on a Sunday. So I'm just going to get a close-up. See all this stuff here, all road salt. Now, road salt is probably the worst thing that can get attached to your car, because it absolutely is the worst, like stuff for corrosion. Eats away at the metal, and just makes itself go straight into the raw metal of the paint, of the body panels, wheels as well. I see my wheels are definitely shot. But if you look at this side here, that is all road salt, because obviously in the UK we put a lot of salt down. I know in the States they do as well, but I would recommend washing your car every week without fail. Don't let it get to this stage, because as you will see, there is corrosion. You can see here, rust. Really bad damage to your wheels. If you got diamond cut wheels, this is the worst stuff for diamond cut wheels. This will absolutely eat away at the aluminium, and you'll end up getting a refurb, and they're not cheap. So that's my vehicle anyway. Well, my wife's vehicle. I'm just going to wash it now, get rid of all this stuff. So yeah. So what I'm using is Auto Smart Red 7. Awesome product. You spray it on, and what it does is it breaks down all the contamination in the paint. Helps just get rid of it. Put it on the wheels, in the arches, wherever you can get it on. Spray it on. Bodywork is safe to use on bodywork, safe to use on the wheels. It's actually awesome for wheels because it breaks down the iron and the brake dust, the oxide, iron oxide, or whatever you call it. Let's do the bumper. On everywhere. And what happens is it reacts to all the metal filings and contamination in the paint, which I'll show you. I'll show you the wheels, be the best bet. Right, see how it's gone purple? That's the reaction that I'm looking to get, and that'll be like that on the paintwork. You can see some bits of the paintwork. So yeah, so now I've got to rinse it off.